space and proud of your courage. In recent years, BP recruits a number of new pilots, though many of them ended up quitting from the front line because of fear of real battle. But you are different from those. Come and let me teach you something new. The more you learn, the bigger chance you will survive in the battlefield. Be ready and press spacebar to continue. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the AGM-65E Maverick missile. The Maverick missile is a kind of air-to-ground missile used for precise attacks on tanks, blockhouses, and other solid targets. E terms means this missile is semi-active laser guided. That is, during attacks, this missile requires a laser beacon to illuminate the target for precise hit. Press spacebar to continue. First, routine checks. Confirm the master arm switch is located at the arm position. Then press spacebar to continue. Click the AG button to activate the air-to-ground mode. Now your fighter is loaded with 4 Maverick missiles. After you activate the air-to-ground mode, the left display will show by default the weapon selection page. Then click the button corresponding to the highlighted MAV sign to select the Maverick missile. After the selection, you will see the codes of your missiles highlighted below the pylons. Then you need to make sure missile codes accord with the laser code so that the missiles can find the correct targets. Currently, the laser code is 1111, available for all the missiles. Press spacebar to continue. Click the highlighted UFC at the right side of the display to change the laser code. Now, the missile codes under all 4 pylons are selected on the weapon selection page. Meanwhile, you can find that the code is lighting up on the UFC under the head-up display. Click its corresponding highlighted button, and then you will find a column shown before the code, and then the code input is activated. Activate the code, and then press spacebar to continue. Use the digital keyboard on the controller panel to enter the required 4-digit laser code. Then, click the ENT or Enter button to confirm the message you have entered. If wrong, click the CLR, the Clear button to cancel it. Now, please alter the code of all of the 4 missiles into 1688, and then press spacebar to continue. right side of the display, the button corresponding to the highlighted stair is used to circularly select missiles on different pylons. You can press the button to change the code of each missile separately. Press spacebar to continue. Next, let's enter the Maverick missile's secondary page. Select Mav, and then click again the highlighted Mav button to enter the Maverick missile's search page. You can select the fuse on the left of the display. Inst represents instant fuse. DL1 and DL2 represents two types of delay fuse. You need to make sure that the fuse is in the default mode or the inst mode. Press spacebar to continue. Now the selected box prompts you the current payload, or say the number of the missile you're ready to launch. Press spacebar to continue. Look at the middle of the screen. There is a sight mark like ring representing the visual field of the Maverick missiles, or the sensor's vision of the missiles. Its center is roughly consistent with the direction of your fighter's head. To let your missile receive the laser signals from the target on the ground, you first need to aim the fighter at the zone of your target. At present, the weapon range is located at your navigation waypoint 2, which is right in front of you. I've activated the red smoke to mark the target. Press spacebar to continue. Pay attention to the upper right of the display. Cage state means the missile is locked. Press to the left the sensor control switch on the stick to activate the display on the left. After that, you can see a diamond-shaped mark on the upper right corner of the display. Press spacebar to continue. Activate the missile's aiming page. Then press the cage on-cage button on the throttle lever to undesignate the missile seeker. You may observe that after the on-cage, the cursor representing the seeker's homing position begins a reciprocating action. This suggests that the seeker is searching for laser signals within its front sector. On your head-up display, the triangular mark pointing downward, which also represents the homing position of the seeker, is performing the same action. Now, they've not yet found any laser signal. Press spacebar, and I will now have the fighter's head send a set of laser signals to the targets on the ground. Laser on. After a while, you can find that the aiming point in the reciprocating action seems to focus somewhere in front. This indicates that the missile has received locked a laser signal. Then you read MAV locked on the HUD, which means the missile has positioned the target and being in the range. Confirm the missile has locked the target. Then press the weapon release button and launch a Maverick missile. Rifle. Good. While the missile is flying, I plan to introduce the guidance of laser missiles. After being launched, semi-active laser-guided missiles will track the laser's reflected signals. As long as the laser signal's guidance run throughout the flight, the missile will eventually hit the target. The current target is marked by a reconnaissance plane, which carries out laser exclusively for you. This target 1 has been destroyed. The reconnaissance drone marks a new target for you. Press the cage on-cage button to unlock another AGM-65E missile. Lock the target and launch the missile. Target 2 has been destroyed. You did an excellent job. Be sure to destroy targets like this in real missions. You've completed the laser-guided Maverick missiles lesson. Press escape to exit, or press spacebar to perform free flight.